Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 5.2 question number 6. How many right angles do you make if you start facing south and turn clockwise to west? B. North and turn anti-clockwise to east. C. West and turn to west. D. South and turn to north. Right? Now if we'll find question number A. Question number A is if we make the directions. Here we are making the directions. This is east, this is west, this is north, this is north, and this is south. Right? Now the question is how many right angles do you make if you start facing south? You will start facing south. Here south means in this direction. That is in this direction. Start facing south. Right? And turn clockwise to west. Clockwise. Clockwise means in this direction. This is the clockwise direction. And this is the anti-clockwise direction. Right? This is the anti-clockwise direction. And this is the clockwise direction. Right? Now if you go south to turn clockwise to west, south to west, we are going south to west. Okay, that means this is 90 degree. This is also west to north is also 90 degree. North to is also 90 degree, and east to south is also 90 degree. Now the question is how many right angles do you make if you start facing south and turn clockwise to west? You are turning clockwise to west, that is from south to west, only one right angle. That is right. How many right angles? That is from south to west you are going, that means only one right angle. One right angle. One right angle. One right angle. Right? Now question number B. North and turn anti-clockwise to east. Again we are making the directions. This is east, this is west, this is east, this is west, this is north, and this is south. Right? North, you are facing north. North means in this direction you are facing. North is in this direction, facing, you are facing north, and turn anti-clockwise to east. Anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise means in this direction, like this. In this direction is the anti-clockwise direction. Right? This is the anti-clockwise direction. Now, north, you turn anti-clockwise to east. Anti-clockwise to east. That means you are going from here to here. Then you are going to here to here. Then you are going from here to here. Right? Here you see, northwest is 90 degree. West to south is also 90 degree. And south to east is also 90 degree. Right? That means how many right angles? 1, 2, 3 right angles. Right? That means north and turn anti-clockwise to east is you are going 3 right angles. 3 right angles. 3 right angles. Now question number C. West. Question number C is we are making the direction first. This is east. East. This is west. This is north. This is north. And this is south. Right? Now west and turn to west. We are going turn. We are facing west and turn to west. Let us go in clockwise direction first. You will go from here to here. You will go from here to here, and then here to here, and then go to here to here. That is you are going west to west. That is this is 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. This is also 90 degree, and this is also 90 degree. Right? That means how many right angles? 1, 2, 3, 4. That means you are getting 4 right angles. 4 right angles. 4 right angles. Right? Now question number D is south and turn to north. South. We'll find this one. We'll make the direction first. This is east, right? And this is west. This is north, and this is south. In question number C, if we go on anti-clockwise direction also, we are getting 4. Why? Because here west and turn to west. This is clockwise direction, this is anti-clockwise direction. Right? This is clockwise, this is anti-clockwise. If we go, this is clockwise, and if we go anti-clockwise direction also, if we go anti-clockwise direction, therefore that means you have to go this way, and again this way, again this way, and again this way. Same, right? If you go clockwise or anti-clockwise, both the cases are same. That is 4 right angles, right? Now question number D. South and turn to north. First of all, you are facing south in this direction, right? And turn to north and turn to north. Suppose if first of all you are going to anti-clockwise direction, right? Then you are getting north. That means how much degree? That is south to east is 90 degree, and east to west is also 90 degree. That means 2 right angles. That means it is 2 right angles. Right? Or you can say if we go clockwise, then you are getting west, and west to north. It is also 90 plus 90. That is 2 right angles. In both the cases, if you go clockwise or anti-clockwise, you will get the same result, right? That means question number, how many right angles do you make if you start facing south and turn clockwise to west? That is 1 right angle. Turn facing north and turn anti-clockwise to east. That is 3 right angles. West and turn to west, 4 right angles. And south and turn to north, that is 2 right angles. This is the solution of question number 6. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. And also press the notification bell so that you will get the first uploaded videos. Thank you everybody for watching this video.